pick it up. Put it up to your head. There you go. Now you can talk.
Ask Grandpa what he had for dinner.
I think she might have hung up on him. Dad? Sorry, she just pressed off speakerphone. Now she's...
Emily,
okay, hang on.
a second. There.
There you go.
Say, Grandpa, what did you have for supper?
Hi, Diego.
Oh. Is Grandpa watching Diego?
Hi, Dora.
Hi, Bill.
Hi, Emily. Hi, Diego.
Hi, Yaya.
Hi, Yaya. Yaya, Yaya.
Why did you put it in my head?
Okay.
Mommy, no.
Are you playing on the telephone?
Yep. Say
Press
yes,
the
sir.
buttons.
Say no, don't press any buttons.
Press the buttons.
No, don't touch.
Beep, beep. Press the buttons. Good work. Good girl. Beep.
Oh, dear. Okay, no more. All done. All done.
He's still on. He's still on.
He's still on?
Good pressing, Emily. Where's number 2? Where's number 2?
Okay, no more.
Amen.
No more.
All done pressing buttons.
That's magic.
And you say bye to Grandpa? Say I'm gonna go have a bath.
Say,
Can you
I'm
do it?
gonna go have a bath.
Don't press that. Don't press that. Okay. You say bye, okay? You have to go have a bath.
Somebody
Bye.
home?
Bye, Dimple.
Okay, let Mommy talk to Grandpa. Okay?
Can I try to on the phone?
Yeah, you can talk to him later again, okay? Say bye.
Bye.
Hi.